Friends, Business Studies class, part 6, Objectives of Business. Business is one of the human activities. Like other human activities, business also has certain objectives. A business comes into the being as a result of these objectives. They are the purpose or goal towards which all activities are directed. The objectives of a business is not merely the earning profit. It should be considered the social and the cultural needs of the people. Business objectives may be classified as first economic objectives. Economic objectives. Economic objectives. The business serves the interest of the owners by pursuing the economic objectives. Thus, every business should pursue the following major economic objectives. First, profitability. Profit is the basic incentive to the business pursuit. It is needed as adequate reward to the entrepreneurs and to provide a fund for future business needs. Second one, survival. The survival of a business mainly depends on its earning capacity. Third one, growth and expansion. The prosperity of a business depends on its growth and expansion. Next one, generation of income. Earning of profit generate income and provides purchasing power to different sections of the society. Next one, creation of customers. Customers collectively constitute the market. Thus, the aim of every business is the creation of customers by providing them economic goods and services. Next one, innovation. Innovation means research and development. It is the soul of modern business. Next one, optimum utilization of resources. Every business is expected to make the best use of scarce resources like men, machine and materials. Second one, social objectives. Since business is an integral part of society, it should follow a social and moral code of conduct. The profit motive and social service of a business should go hand in hand. Some of the important social objectives of business are as follows. First one, to provide a better quality product at a reasonable price to the customers. Second one, to avoid discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, social status, etc. Next one, to create employment opportunities. Next one, to develop healthy relationship between the trade union formed by its workers. Next one, to pay taxes to the government honestly. Next one, to redistribute dividend to the shareholders without making any manipulation in account. Last one, human objectives. Since business is a community of human beings, the human factors should be given due recognition. The employees in a concern are not merely the working tools that can be hired and fired at a will. Human objectives of modern business are first, to provide fair wages, bonus, allowances, pension, gratuity, medical benefit and facilitate for education of children. Next one, to provide security of employment. Next one, to afford protection to workmen from accident, etc. Next one, to provide education and training for the workers. Next, business risk. Business is an inevitable features of any business. It is the chance of loss. Although business is run for profit, there is chance of loss in spite of the best effort of the businessman. Thus, the risk is possibility of some unfavorable occurrence in future. Characteristics. First one, risk is unavoidable. Risk is inherent in every business. No businessman can totally escape from the risk, although it can be minimized. Second one, uncertainty. Uncertainty is an inbuilt features of business. Business risk arise due to the natural uncertainties like flood, earthquake, etc., and human uncertainties like strike, lockout, theft, etc. Next one, variability. The degree of risk varies with the size and the nature of the business. Next one, profit is the reward for risk bearing. No risk, no gain is an important principle of every business. A businessman assumes risk and in return we get a reward, that is profit. Next one, risks are not predictable. The volume of risk and the exact time of its occurrence cannot be foreseen. This part has completed. Thank you.